I've been working out at home lately, and I really think there are some things I can tell you that is going to change the game for you. You know that everyone mustn't go to the gym. Everybody's not going to be a bodybuilder. You should find what you like, what you really want, and how you can achieve that. Everything mustn't be achieved in the gym, and you mustn't go to the gym for you to be fit. That's a misconception everybody has. So I'm here to tell you 8 things or 7 things that you can actually do to improve your home workout. Welcome back to the channel. I am Comfy, your girl, and if this is the first time you're seeing this face, do well to subscribe because we do have a lot of fun on this channel. And if you're an OG, welcome back, and I hope you like this video. Let's get into the video. Number one thing I want to talk about is knowing your aim. You should know your aim. What do you want? Now, let me tell you the truth. Bodybuilding is not equal, it doesn't equal fitness. Fitness is a large umbrella. Bodybuilders are bodybuilders. They are fit being bodybuilders. There are people that just want to be lean. There are people that are athletic. People are athletes. They are not bodybuilders. So, you need to know what you want. Do you want to build your body? Do you want to have an athletic body? Do you just want to feel good? Like, you just want to feel like you're fit. You want to be healthy. You know, you're not into the whole, oh, I want to do this. I want to be a bodybuilder. I want my arms to grow. I want to have muscles and all of that. Your aim can just be, oh, I just want to be fit. I just want to stay fit. So know your aim, and it will help you to know what you should do, because once someone says, oh, I want to be fit, you see them carrying weight. Some of the time it's not even what they want, because if you're carrying weight, if you're lifting weight, do you want to work on your strength? Do you want to be a bodybuilder? Do you want to be athletic? Do you just want to be able to move your body? Do you just want to be flexible enough, or you just want to stay fit and healthy? That is the first one. And the second one is focusing on perfecting your form. While you are at home doing your workouts, okay, let's say for example, you don't have the money to actually go to the gym because it can be very expensive. Gym membership, transportation or whatnot, and you might not even have the time to leave the comfort of your home to be going to the gym. Maybe the gym is very far from you. Like right now, I can't go to the gym because of different factors, so I'm really maximizing working out at home, even though I've gone far with my weight and all of that. So let's say you don't have money, or whatever reason it is that you have, or you don't even want to be a bodybuilder. Even if you want to be a bodybuilder, just work on perfecting your form first. Don't just jump into going to the gym. Like, you wake up one morning and you say, oh, I want to be fit. You go to the gym, you're going to get everything wrong, except if you have an instructor. And most of the time when you go to the gym, you always start with body weight. So while you're at home, perfect your forms, get the squats right, get the abs workouts right. Make sure you're targeting the muscles you're supposed to be targeting without any weight, because when you use weight and you don't know your form correctly, you're going to hurt yourself, you're going to harm yourself. That's the thing. So while at home, just try to perfect, get the right. It's not about the weight. That's the thing. It's not about the weight. It's the quality of your workouts that actually matter first before the quantity. So get your form correctly. Number 3, try different things. You are in the comfort of your home. Why don't you try different things? You may not even know what you enjoy. Do you enjoy the whole working out, like working on your glutes? Do you squats? Do you enjoy squats? Do you enjoy Bulgarian split squats? Do you enjoy hip thrust? Is it that kind of workouts, those kind of workouts that you enjoy? Or do you enjoy running? Try out running. Do you enjoy running? You can even try out Pilates. You can involve yoga into your routine. Like, try different things. Nobody's going to judge you. You're in the comfort of your home. So try. You might even do Pilates and you're like, oh wow, I actually enjoy this. And it will be what you'll be doing. You don't need to be carrying weight. You don't need to be doing squats. You don't need to be doing all of that, because I have actually incorporated Pilates into my workout routine now, and I've been enjoying it. Even though I don't do it every day, I just have a day for it, and I really enjoy it. So while you're in the comfort of your home, try different things, try different forms of workouts and types of workouts to know what you enjoy, because you mustn't do squats. That is the truth. You mustn't do squat because everybody's doing squat. Maybe it's not okay with your body, or you do not enjoy it. So just try different things while you're in the comfort of your home. Number 4, structure your workout according to your lifestyle. How long do you want to be working out? What time? It's not because, oh, you are at home, you now relax. No, structure is even while at home. Structure is, have a day set aside for, maybe you are doing this today, you're working on this set of muscles today, maybe your glutes today, you're working on your legs today, you're working on your upper body today, you're doing your abs tomorrow, you are doing this one. Just structure it and then have a time. Do you want to be doing it in the morning? Do you want to be doing it in the evening? And then how long do you want to be working out? Do you want 30 minutes, 1 hour? Now that you're in the comfort of your home, you have everything. It's not when you go to the gym. When you go to the gym, you might say, oh, I want to work out for 1 hour. But when you get to the gym, maybe the machines that you want to use, people might be using it, and it will eat into your time, and you will realize that in 1 hour, you may not be able to get what you want, and you end up staying. It's either you stay more than an hour, or you end up not even doing much. So when you're in the comfort of your home, structure it and know that you have all the time, you have all the space. Nobody's going to be like, oh, I'm using this or I'm using that. So structure it, have a structure, have a timing. Don't just do it anyhow, because if you do it anyhow because you're at home, you're still not going to get results. That's just it. Number 5 is you have to have a workout structure. The workout itself now, let's say today you're working on your glutes. What exercises are you going to be doing? Because I've realized that when people are at home and I tell them to do their workout, they just end up doing anything. They incorporate anything. They don't even know how many reps they are doing, how many sets they are doing. Take it serious. Assume, because that's what I do. I assume that I'm in the gym and I'm paying for this. So I take it as serious. So structure your workout. If it's glutes that you're doing, how many squats am I doing? How many sets? How many reps? After this, which other one am I doing? Am I doing abs after each workout? Am I doing Pilates? Am I going to run? How long am I going to run? How am I going to do the running? You don't just wake up and do anything. Like you just wake up in the morning. Oh, let me just wind my waist a little bit. You wind your waist, and you go back to bed. That's nonsense. Wrong. Even while at home, you have to have proper structure for your workout. You got it, 6. Number 6, work on discipline and consistency. And again, shyness. That is the third thing you should add to that number 6. Consistency, discipline, and your shyness. So now, the way you're going to act at home will reflect on how you're going to act in the gym if you are planning to go to the gym after. Let's say you just wake up in the morning and just do anyhow. You maybe today you work out today. The next time you're going to work out is next month, because you don't have anybody telling you do this. You don't have an instructor telling you come to the gym, do this, do that. You're just doing anyhow. You have to, for you to get the most, because people complain, oh, I'm at home, I can't really do anything, it won't do much, nothing's going to happen, there's no change, blah, 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 blah. I don't have weights, I don't complain, excuses. I can give those excuses too. In as much as I have gone far in my progress in the gym, there are weights that I'm lifting in the gym that I don't lift at all because I don't have them here. But it hasn't stopped me from actually gaining, because I stopped going to the gym for a few months and I lost almost all my gains. But I was telling myself, oh, I can't do home workout because I've gone so far doing home workouts, body weights and all of that is not going to do much for me. But since for the past weeks I've been very, very consistent with my home workouts, I have actually gained so much and I've felt the difference about home workouts. So don't take it lightly. Be consistent with it, with your structure, everything, the timing, your form, everything. Build that consistency, that discipline, and then shyness. A lot of people say, oh, I can't go to the gym, they are shy. They go to the gym and they just walk out, or dance around or whatever because they are shy. do it in your house. Keep doing, because even some people are shy in the house, like they are shy to even work out because they care about what people will say, their brother, their sister, whoever. You can even like, you don't need to talk. Just what you're doing alone is enough to tell them, oh, it's actually good to work out. But by the time they see how it's helping you, how you're changing and all of that. So that's it. Try to work on your shyness, because if you're consistent and disciplined at home and you're not shy at home, by the time you get to the gym, I'm not saying you're not going to be shy at all. You're going to be initially shy, but in quickly, because you already know what you want, what you're working on, what you're doing. So you're going to just hit it off very, very quickly. And the next tip is to add any form of resistance you can find at home. Yes, body body weight works, home workouts is fine. But if you're a bodybuilder, or you want to actually like increase some muscles or whatever, not just running, or just even if you want to lose weight, if you can find any form of resistance, maybe resistance band or little weight, like you can just add them, or you can buy them from anywhere, like just add them. If you're able to find them, use them. Even you can just invest in little things, like some, because there are different kinds of resistance bands. You have the booty resistance band, you have the ones for your arms, you have different resistance bands you can use for different things, and you have different home equipment you can actually use. So just browse, try, research. There are a lot of people selling those things online. You can buy them and use them at home. You don't really need to go to the gym. And the last tip we have today is to maximize everything in your house for your own good. Like now, a lot of things I do, like I use my couch sometimes. I carry some things in the house, like if my weight is not enough, the weights I have, because I have like some dumbbells, I carry some weights in the house. If I can't find, even when I want to stand on something, like I need to stand on something to do my workouts, I use books, I put them under my legs. I do a lot of things. I try to maximize everything, use anything I can get hold of, lay my hands on, so that I can get the best from each workout. So don't be lazy. Don't say, oh, I don't have this, so I can't do this, I don't have it. What are you trying to achieve? The main thing is, which muscle are you trying to build? So when you'll be like, you browse it. There are different body weight workouts you can do to target that muscle, and then you try and see if there are things in the house that you can use to actually help you achieve that goal. So that's all for this video, and I hope you learned something new, and I've been able to give you 1 or 2 tips. So let me know in the comment section which ones you're doing, which ones you didn't know, and what you think. If you have more tips, let me know in the comment section. And if there's any video you want me to do, maybe a workout routine or whatever kind of video you want to see next, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.